In this video, we're going to cover a few loan apps where you can borrow money fast. How fast? Or with a few of these as simple clicks, you can have your money in your account. What's going on YouTube? Welcome to Math Hustle. I cover all things money, from how to save money, make more money, side hustles, and more. A few of these apps I'm covering don't even require a credit check or charge interest, so let's jump right into apps that loan you money instantly, same day. The first app is FloatMe. This is an instant payday cash advance app that doesn't charge interest or even run a credit check. And if you are approved, you can have your funds deposited in minutes. A few downsides to FloatMe is that there's a $199 a month membership fee. Even if you decide to sign up and not use the service, you're still getting charged $199. But FloatMe does offer a 30-day free trial, so there's really no risk to try it out. Also, the max lending amount is only $50, which is really not a lot, but it's quick, easy cash that can get you out of a bind. For example, covering a charge before you get hit with an NSF fee from your bank. Now, we all know those NSF fees can spiral out of control, but you can use the loan for whatever you want. So the next app is called SoloFunds. Now, I've done an in-depth review of this app, so if you want more information, be sure to check that out by clicking on the top right or left on the screen. SoloFunds is a peer-to-peer lender that connects people with borrowers, regular people like you and me. As a borrower, you can set your own terms for paying back the money you receive. SoloFunds is not a lender, it's more of a peer-to-peer platform where anybody, as long as you're a member, can fund or borrow loans, and this is based on a number of factors, including your Solo score, reason for the loan, and payment history. What this means is that your credit score really isn't taken into account when applying for a SoloFunds loan. When signing up, you will need to link a bank account, so if you're prone to getting nuts or carrying a negative balance, you want to make sure you have more than one bank account. Even if you only have $10 in that second bank account, make sure that account is clean, no intercepts ever. I've said this in so many other videos, but I'll say it again in this one. More and more lenders are using the Play platform, which means they're not solely relying on your credit score, but more on your banking history as a way of determining if you qualify for a loan. Another perk to using SoloFunds is you can sign up and receive your funds the same day. I could go on and on about this ad, but we'd be here all day again. I do have a standalone video if you want more information. Now let's move on to the next one. Next is Dave. This is an online bank account that has a cash advance feature called Extra Cash. With Extra Cash, you can borrow up to $500 with no interest, no late fees, and no credit check. The only downside to this loan is that you can carry your balance and your entire loan is going to need to be paid back with your next paycheck. Dave also has a side hustle feature that helps you find side jobs and tasks. So with no interest or credit check, Dave is definitely worth taking a look at. And remember, I will have everything linked if you want to check out these products for yourself. The next app is called Possible Finance. With Possible Finance, you can borrow up to $500 even with bad or no credit. To apply, you'll need to link your bank account and submit proof of residency, unlike Dave, which lets you borrow up to $500 with no interest possible. If an installment loan, which does require a soft pull on your credit report, and they also charge interest, typically $15 to $20 per $100 borrowed, but your actual rate is going to depend on your credit score. But $15 to $20 still isn't bad, because what you're going to find with your typical payday loan, you're going to have the interest of 100, 200, 300%. I mean, it gets crazy out here. Another plus, if you can call it, that is that most of these loans mentioned in this video require you to pay back the entire loan on your next paycheck. If possible, you can pay it back, and for installments. And Possible Finance does report your payments to the 3 major credit bureaus, so with all-time payment history, you might see your credit score go up. The next one is Clio, and you can find them at meetclio.com. Clio is a budgeting app that helps keep your expenses in check and builds itself the money app that doesn't sell. When you sign up for Clio Plus, which does have a monthly subscription fee, you can borrow up to $100 with no interest and no credit check. and you can pay that loan back between 3 to 28 days. First-time users usually don't qualify for the $400 and only get between $20 to $70. So the downside of Citi using this app is there's a $5.99 monthly subscription fee. Also, the time it takes to receive your loan, you can pay an extra $399 express fee to receive your loan same day. Here we go again, more fee, or you can receive it for free within 3 to 4 days. And when talking about money apps, we can't forget about Chime. This is one of my favorites and my go-to card. Chime is a fintech bank that doesn't necessarily lend money, but has a feature called SpotMe. SpotMe is a feature that allows you to overdraw your bank account up to $200 with no interest or an asset fee. This feature is invaluable if you need to quickly cover a purchase without applying for a loan. So if you only have $20 in your account, in that case, it's actually as good as a loan and maybe even better. And once you're an account holder, you can use this feature instantly without having to apply. Right now, if you apply using the link in my description, you'll receive $100 for doing nothing else but setting up a direct deposit and following a few simple steps. So I hope this information helped you out. I want to thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to this channel, and we'll see you on the next one.